This morning, the thrill of the thunder over Michigan airshow taking a dramatic turn. A MiG-23 performance plane airborne over Belleville, Michigan, and then moments later, Trudeau's cell phone video shows the two pilots on board ejecting with a mini explosion as the plane went down, crashing into an apartment complex, parking lot hitting only unoccupied parked cars. He was just flying too low, the plane bursting into flames. It was absolutely crazy to see the explosion. The plane coming by Ryan Jakubowski saw the crash and says the airshow crowd was quickly told what went wrong. Yeah, so the announcers came over the air and they were basically explaining what had happened, that the pilots were ejecting out and that there was a crash. A statement from the Wayne County Airport Authority overseeing the air shows says pilot and sitter successful the pilot and backseater successfully ejected from the aircraft before the crash. While it did not appear they sustained any significant significant injuries, first responders transported the pair to a nearby hospital as a precaution. Incredibly, both survived. I'm glad that nobody was in the town on the actually actual felt or felt or else report actual felt or anywhere else. Airport authorities say the pilots declared an emergency just before they ejected from the plane. No word on their conditions overnight. The FAA and the NTSB will investigate the crash.